everybody, it's Mosey back again. I'm back with a brand new hobby basketball break. I got one box of 2017-18 Panini Essentials. Each box comes with 2 autographs, and we're looking at 10 packs of six cards, so looking at 60 cards. So picked this up at Blowout Cards for $110. So brand new product, so don't know exactly what to expect from this, but let's check it out. Alright, there we go, pack 1. Alright, there's the design. Pretty nice. Pretty thick cardstock on this one too. So that's pretty nice. Thicker cardstock. Actually looks really good in person. Ben McLemore. Paul Millsap. I've got an insert here, Future Legends. Malcolm Brogdon. Whoa, Marco Fultz Rookie Red. Let's see if that's numbered. Looks like it's not numbered unless I didn't miss it. Nope. Nice red parallel. We got a Fultz Rookie. Oh, we got this cool looking die cut of Shawn Kemp. Rock Rim. Rock the Rim. Shawn Kemp. And Zach Collins rookie card. So looks like we got 2 rookies in that pack. Let's see if we get 2 rookies per pack or not. Dinwiddie. Tyson Chandler. Frank Mason the third. The purple. Nice looking parallel. And Dragic red. Kent Bazemore and Denzel Valentine. Eric Gordon played pretty well in the playoffs. DeAndre Fox base rookie, nice. Kings of the Court Blake Griffin in this Piston uniform. Blue parallel. Enes Kanter red. DeMar DeRozan franchise foundations. And Karl Anthony Towns base card. Alright, so looking for our first hit. Wesley Matthews. Chris rookie card for the Suns. Kings of the Court Kevin Garnett. Pretty cool, old school. We got Jordan Bell. Got some nice playing time. Rookie red. There's a serial number card. Marquise Morris numbered to 99. Looks like the serial number that's right above the name. And Robin Lopez. Robert Covington. Dragic. Jonathan Isaac. Blue. Reggie Jackson red. And Windu numbered to 99 rookie. Back to back serial number cards. And Dwight Howard. Bam. Rookie card, base rookie. Ooh, Dynamic Duels. Shaquille O'Neal, Freddie Hardaway. It's a pretty cool looking card. Robert Covington red. Steven Adams. And McCollum. Alright, 4 packs. So we have 2 autos. Frank Mason rookie card on top. Ooh, it's a rookie pack. Sick rookie card. Quad Leonard. Invincible Stars. Jeff Teague red. And Linden rookie card. And Bradley Beal. Dennis Cantor. Signed Whiteside. First autograph, Destined for Greatness, numbered 45 out of 99, Wes and Windu. Pretty interesting autograph there. Good looking card. It is a sticker. At least numbered to 99. Got a red Tony Parker, LeBron James, Devon. Alright, 2 packs left. Dylan Brooks, Miles Turner, Dennis Rodman, old school. Nice. Number 42 of 49. I actually don't think I have his auto in my collection. He's on the Bulls uni, so definitely think about keeping this one. 42 out of 49, Dennis Rodman. A little vet auto action there. Alright, there's the pack. Whiteside red, Terrence Ferguson rookie, and John Wall. Alright, last pack. Let's see another number parallel. A rookie card. Tony Parker. Kemba Walker, Invincible Stars blue. Jimmy Butler red. Raymond Felton and Caldwell Pope. Alright, let me put things together and we'll do a quick recap. Alright, quick recap and review. Base card set. I really like the base cards. They're very good. They're thick too, so that's a big positive for the set. Nice looking and thick stock. Inserts, a bunch of different inserts. Got 2 of these King's Quartz. Then we got Future Legends. We got 1 of those. Franchise Foundations, 1 of those. And one of my favorite inserts, Dynamic Duels. 1 Rock the Rim inserts, pretty nice looking die cut. Dispensable Stars, 2 vets and 2 rookies. You get a red parallel per pack, and I ended up with 2 nice rookie red parallels. We did get 1 rookie, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So basically 1 base rookie per pack. Nice fox on front there. End up with 2 serial number cards, both numbered to 99. 2 hits. First hit numbered to 99, and then the vet hit numbered to 49, Dennis Rodman. So do not like the sticker autographs, of course. Base stock is great, and great looking set. Number of parallels. I think this is a better buy, a little bit lower, maybe like $90. If it drops down to 90, I might pick up and try another one, but I think 110 is a little expensive for sticker autographs, but great looking product. That's it for this box of 2017-18 Panini Essentials, guys. We'll catch you next time. Thanks for watching.